The people who move into that house are going to have an amazing view. Wow. This is more than just a shot of the sunset. I'm actually at the West Virginia border. So yeah, I'm leaving West Virginia. It's pretty surreal, actually. I've lived in West Virginia my entire life, and now I'm kind of venturing into unknown territory. So should be fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the sunset because it's very beautiful. Goodbye, West Virginia. Hello, Virginia. What's up, day 70? It is a beautiful day out today. Just left Rocky Gap, Virginia, heading to Bland, Virginia. Then from there, heading to Greensboro, North Carolina. Got someone down there I want to meet. Anyway, I'm actually charged up with my batteries, so should be able to film a lot of footage, which is great because it is so beautiful today. Let me just show you real quick. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, like I said, goal today, Bland, Virginia, and maybe I keep walking afterwards. We'll find out. Gonna take it a little slow for the next few days because I think I walked something like 90 miles the past 7 days, so want to give my legs a little bit of a break. Anyway, I'll see you in a minute. So good morning. It's been a few days. Yeah, just want to show you something real quick. So this is what I woke up to. It rained all night last night, and land was out to about right there. Now it's not. So that's fun. Anyway, I'm gonna hurry up and get packed up, and hopefully the water doesn't rise too much more because it's still raining and I'd really like to have some shelter. All right, what's up guys? So, same day. It's actually turned out to be a beautiful, sunshiny day, which is just poetic because I woke up to a flood and then had to walk in the rain. And then as soon as I found the shelter under this bridge, sun came out. But it is what it is. Anyway, I am going to try, I'm sorry for the noise, I got cars going above me. I'm gonna cook up some pasta. So I cooked up some ramen noodles. Yeah, I got this little stove, I guess you'd call it, wood stove, portable. And I cooked up some ramen noodles on it. And it got me thinking if I could cook up pasta in this little dish. Unfortunately, my cardboard and the paper I normally use to start fires all got wet and washed away. But I went to a nice little general store, and the lady there, I think she was the owner, actually gave me some napkins. So I'm gonna try and start a fire with that. We're gonna see if we can cook up some pasta. It'll be fun. Anyway, let's try and get this fire started. And we got a roaring fire. Sorry I kind of moved the camera away there. Flames were getting a little too close to my phone for comfort. Anyway, let's cook up the spaghetti. All right. That should be enough. Should be said, this isn't actually moon mist. That's just what I put the water in. And let's just wait for that to boil. All right, we got the pasta cooking up. Now I just gotta wait about 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. Pasta should be cooked. Many of you have probably been asking this, how am I gonna strain it? And the answer to that is, I don't know. So let's just wing it and see what happens. What I'm gonna do is completely pour it in here. Just like that. I'm going to put this lid on top, and I should probably put a little bit more firewood in there. There we go. I'm going to transfer that back into there. Now I'm going to get the pasta sauce. let's see how that goes. Perfect. Yeah, I guess that was Cooking with Josh, or Hydro, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I plan to do a lot more cooking videos in the future. So if you have anything you want me to try, leave it down in the comments and I will try and cook it. Just understand I only have this pot and this little frying pan. Anyway, that's going to do it for now. I will see you in a little bit. Peace out.